Hey guys, how are y'all? So I'll be showing you how to get the swap file increased on your Linux/Ubuntu or Linux Ubuntu/Mint system. So you want to open the terminal and system monitor. And then I'll have all the commands in the description, but in the terminal, you want to type in sudo swapoff -a. You want to input your password. Here you go. And then you want to allocate the amount needed. That'll be sudo allocate -l. And then the amount you want in gigabytes. I'm going to be doing 32. So that'll be 32G/swap file. And then you want to change the permissions, which will be sudo chmod, also known as change mode, 600/swapfile, and then that just changes the permissions. And then you want to write the old swap signature and make a new one. So that'll be sudo mkswap/swapfile. And now you want to make sure it turns on. So that'll be sudo swapon/swapfile. And you can see here, it's now on. And you can confirm again by doing sudo swapon -- or hyphen, double hyphen, show. And you can see the size, how much is used, and the priority. You want like a priority of -2, like we have here, because that like makes the system use the system memory more over the swap. And system memory is always faster. So yeah, I hope this helped. Alright, see you guys next time. And remember, you guys matter.